Yeah. Safety. Find your pocket. So, just be aware of what's around you. Just knowing that, people may be coming in to test the waters, knowing that they could be a little bit of a trickster just to throw you off course. That's a little just safety tidbit for you. Investigator, you gotta instigator. Why did I say investigator? Okay, well, somebody might be investigated. That's being exposed. Why did I say investigator? All right, well, somebody might be investigated, and that's them being exposed. But yeah, you've definitely got somebody that wants to come in and instigate something with you. You guys start something. They just want to start something with you. It's just bullshit. But don't worry about it. Just leave it alone.